Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the connection. Import a Sqlite3, then call a Sqlite3. Connect with your database path. Use an absolute path to avoid working directory mistakes, and if the file does not exist, Python will create it, so make sure that behavior is intended. Once connected, grab a cursor with con. Cursor, to run queries. You do this now because a cursor is how you execute SQL and fetch results. Make sure the connection object is stored, so you can commit and close it later. Once you have a cursor, execute SQL statements directly, create tables, insert rows, or select data. Use parameterized queries like cursor. Execute, insert into tcall values. Value to avoid injection and automatic type handling. After you perform inserts or updates, commit with con. Commit, so changes are persisted, otherwise they roll back on close. For selects, use cursor. Fetch on or fetch all and then iterate results. If you need many inserts, use executemony for efficiency and speed. Finish by closing resources, call cursor. Close and con. Close or better yet use with a Sqlite3. Connect, as con and con, cursor, so closures are automatic. If you see operational error about a locked database, make sure another process isn't holding a transaction and consider retrying after a short sleep. Also, if column access is awkward, set con. Row factory equals a Sqlite3. Row to get dict-like rows for clearer code. These steps keep your data safe and make debugging straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.